Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin with 3 essentials: tenant admin rights, assigned Viva licenses, and a designated SharePoint home site. Once those are confirmed, go to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center and enable the specific Viva modules you need. Make sure licenses are applied to pilot accounts. Then open the app launcher, launch Viva connections, and choose the SharePoint site to serve as your home. This gets you past setup friction and into actual configuration. Do that now so the rest of the process works predictably. Once Connections is live, configure the dashboard, create navigation cards, and surface key resources. This gives users a central place to act. Next, enable topics. Review AI-suggested topic pages, add descriptions, and merge duplicates so knowledge is accurate. Then configure insights and engage, setting privacy levels and manager permissions. Make sure policies reflect your compliance needs. As you proceed, test with pilot users. Adjust card visibility and topic scopes, and iterate until the information flow feels natural and useful. You finish by planning a phased rollout. Pilot first, gather feedback, then expand. Once live, monitor adoption metrics, usage percentages, search success rates, and topic growth so you can prioritize improvements. Make iterative tweaks. Adjust cards, refine topics, and update permissions for content access. If users see missing content or stale results, check search indexing and reindex the affected site and verify permissions. Reindexing plus correct access often resolves sync problems quickly. Finally, schedule regular.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.